Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is city creation. In this we are discussing about the 11 parts of the divide. In this basically we are discuss for that basically Pakistan India war also basically has started. Just taking as an example because a lot of 4 to 5 times basically war has already there. So in this one of the person told that how Pakistan blood cells is created, how India blood cells is created. On the base of that only basically the war might have started. So one of the person told that how Pakistan blood cells is getting maintained, how India blood cells is getting maintained. So one of the person told that yes, here basically India blood cells who created the India blood cells that everybody knows basically the European basically country basically divided Pakistan in India basically. Why? Because there might be some conflict basically because they are also not mad basically, right? They have to because in future basically they are also basically going to be into this basically. They also know basically that USA also know that basically they are also because their India Pakistani people basically stays in USA also basically, so they also basically are going to get in trouble basically. So they know basically that each and every war basically which happens in the world basically that connects to each and every country. How basically that we will discuss. For example, India blood cells basically generated, Pakistan blood cells generated. India story is there, Pakistan story is also there. Assume that basically both story basically connected like this story basically connected, and in this basically few blood cells basically got damaged basically. That blood cells basically connecting to few areas basically. Few area means for example from Mumbai blood cells basically from Mumbai blood cells 4 to 5 vegetables and 5 to 6 fruits basically was created. Then he told that yes basically few businessmen basically told that basically we are doing the business with India also and with the Pakistan also. In this what happened basically few basically high profile people basically eaten that fruits and eaten that vegetables basically. Due to that basically what happened there basically few blood cells basically was got damaged. Few blood cells basically was got damaged of India blood cells and Pakistan blood cells also. So they basically told that basically from Mumbai city blood cells basically we have created this basically. And in this basically they have dumped some conditions basically. If you are going to do this type of all activities, your body parts are going to damage basically. So that was that condition basically. So that condition basically was approved by the government rule also basically, and that was approved by one of the government. Assume that basically some BJP and Congress government approved that basically. In this some certain rules and regulation was created, and everything was basically done legally basically. So that basically in future basically anybody says that basically Mumbai due to Mumbai the damage was happened, so they have the proof that basically that this rules was approved by the Supreme Court, High Court, and by the set of government also basically. On the base of that only basically we created these fruits and the vegetables basically, and the fruits and regular vegetables basically kept one condition basically, and that condition basically they have basically crossed that condition basically, and due to that condition cross condition can be any basically, condition basically can be anything basically. We are not discussing to the condition basically. Condition means equal to rules and regulations basically, that everybody knows. Condition, one condition I will take for example, uh, few condition business like few people don't eat something basically, right? So that is their condition basically. Few people says that basically we basically drink wine basically in night basically. That is their condition basically, right? So they never going to break that condition. Why? Because their climate basically in this, for example, if you are staying in USA basically, there basically you have to take certain level of wine basically, because their climate are like that basically. If you want to stay in that city, if you want to stay in that country basically, then you have to take some wine basically. Without that basically you can't survive. Why? Because the climate is like that basically. So like this basically they do like this activities, like basically that is condition basically. If you don't take, then basically your body might get suffer basically. But same exact opposite basically in India basically, that is totally different basically. So like this basically things are basically there, but in India country also basically lots of girls basically takes the wine basically. It's not like that basically. See basically the software companies basically, lots of software company basically, girls also basically takes wine, drinks beer, have the cigarette, lots of things basically they do basically. Why? Because they basically say that basically our culture basically is like this basically. We can't change our culture. So like that basically the things basically are there. Few basically go girls basically don't drink wine like this basically things are basically there. So certain rules and regulations are there basically. So that will interact basically when the birth will happen basically. So when the birth will happen basically, that time basically that impact is going to happen. Why? Because girls condition basically are there basically. That time basically according to that basically their birth has to be happen. According to that the human souls basically gets dumped into their body basically. And like this basically lots of things basically are created basically. So like this basically also things basically are there basically. It's not like that basically girls can't drink beer. It's not written basically anywhere basically that girls basically can't drink beer. It can't drink basically wine, can't have a cigarette basically. Why? Because condition basically are there basically. But in every basically things basically conditions are not there. Like for example, few people says that basically that Uttar Pradesh girls basically don't drink beer, wine basically. But it's not like that basically. They are also basically IITs and IIM basically they are very highly profile girls basically. They drink beer, wine basically. Why? Because they're basically the culture basically are up to that level basically. They have to they are basically doing studying and with this they basically jumps into the big MNC companies basically. Their culture basically totally are different basically. So that basically things their basically condition basically. So these all are basically the condition basically. So on the base of this condition basically, some Indian basically body parts and the Pakistani few body parts basically got damaged basically. Few blood cells basically got damaged. Body basically still has not damaged basically. See basically. Body has still not damaged. Blood cells also only basically got damaged. So due to that basically immediately Pakistan and India basically started the war and they finished that area only basically from where the blood cells basically got damaged. Why? Because blood cells damage will convert immediately into the body parts damage basically. Immediately basically. It will take basically few months basically, but that will convert into the damage basically. But it was India blood cells basically, and it was basically the Pakistan blood cells basically. Due to that basically, that person's basically body will damage. Then basically it's permanently going to damage. That's why basically, and he was India basically, and he was Pakistan basically. So they immediately basically started the war basically, and like this basically they finished that area only basically, and then they again basically jumped down, created few areas, and like this basically again dumped the few blood cells basically, which actually repaired that blood cells basically which was damaged. That is basically the India Pakistan blood cells which was damaged, and like this basically the India blood cells also was repaired and the Pakistan blood cells also was repaired. So like this people says that basically the war basically which was started basically in India, China and Pakistan basically, that was connected to this basically. So that was the condition basically which was the human needs basically which was created. Due to that basically things basically was happened basically. So you can just imagine the dangerous decision basically the Supreme Court, High Court takes basically, because whenever the human needs basically are created, that time these groups only basically do the approval. So you can just imagine the powerful data basically which that group basically have basically, that is the government group basically, and that are basically BJP and Congress basically. This group basically told that basically reject Sunil R. Nair basically on the base of Vadodara, that is this company basically, and this group basically don't know anything basically, and they rejected basically on the base of nothing has happened, that basically everybody knows. So like this group given the project, this group given the project, this group also given the project, and this group also basically given the project to this group basically. Reason? They rejected Sunil R. Nair basically. So like this basically next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this basically. So this was also basically condition, rules and regulation basically. You can say what actually the rule. Lots of people says that basically what business is. So this is the business of rules and regulation basically. Business of rules and regulation. Business of law basically. And on the basis of business of law basically the another basically the each and every business basically gets activated basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.